So this is one hook. This was the other. That one could have been pretty bad. I gotta have to cut that out before I rip it. Alright, so I was breaking down my gear after the dive, after the other hooks, and I found two more that were jammed into me. Oh, three more. I got it hooked really well here today. I'm gonna have to work that. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Ever feel like you're chasing bait? Have a good day, everybody. Alright, so just a little bit more to the ongoing got hooked saga. I knew I was running through a lot of line. Didn't realize I was wrapping up on my DPV blade. Okay, time to go to work. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Feel free to click like and subscribe if you have a mind to. I appreciate you tuning in, and comments are where it's at. Bye. Oh, so it's a testament to the Genesis 600 DPV, because this thing was jammed up inside and out with wire, and while it slowed it down, it never stopped it. It just kept rolling. All right, bye. All right, so hello everyone. So this was a long dive, about an hour and 20 minutes or so, and yielded short on anything worthy. Little Samsung Galaxy 8 S8, busted up. Found it underneath the bridge. Maybe somebody chucked it, maybe they lost it while they were trying to take a picture, who knows. And an inexpensive pair of sunglasses. And trash. This is about half the trash. Dropped the rest of it on my way past the trash can. So I guess about the most interesting thing on this dive was I came across a lot of fishermen. Apologies guys for having given you the idea that you might have caught the biggest fish in your life. But your 8-pound test was nothing for me. Ripped right through it, including the two people who actually hooked me. One guy in my BC and another guy in my BC and my wetsuit. Yeah, this is the first time I ever had to actually cut myself out of my gear, just because I was hooked in my wetsuit and my BC on one line, and I couldn't walk away. Didn't know how deep the hook was embedded, and didn't want to end up skewering myself, so I actually had to cut myself out, which was interesting. So hey, appreciate you watching. I'm gonna stick this little video, make it short, and pop it in the middle of the week somewhere, just because. All right, everybody, appreciate you watching. Bye.